Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. And if you're new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. Well, I love creating, designing patterns and stuff. And so I just finished a summer top. Well, I wanted to come back on here and show you real quick before the winter is over about this color block shawl or scarf that I have out there that I am absolutely in love with. Look at this, guys. Isn't it just beautiful? Well, the yarn that I want to show you that I used is Fluffy Day. It's Hobbii Fluffy Day, 100% premium, what's it say? Brushed acrylic. There you go. Isn't it just beautiful? The color on this is 25, and so I used that for this part right here. Let's see, the pink, if you're interested in the pink, it is 15. So we got 25 and 15, and then the gold is 20. And then this beautiful rust color is 19. So this is 311 yards per skein. It's a medium 4 weight, 100% acrylic. Let's see, it's designed in Denmark. It's made with love in Turkey. Let's see, what else is there about this you may need to know. I guess that's about all on that. Here is all the beautiful yarns. Aren't they just gorgeous together? Thank you, Hobbii. Hobbii sponsored this video, by the way. And I love this yarn. So much fun to work with. And I do plan on making some more things in this. But I am so happy and so pleased with the way this scarf turned out. The yarn is so nice and it will keep you so warm. It was a perfect choice to make a scarf. All right, let me tell you a little bit about this. I do have a tutorial on this on YouTube. I'll leave the link below. And I do have a PDF pattern on this in case you're interested in buying the PDF pattern. This is about 66.5 inches long. And of course, you know, anytime you make your own scarf or shawl or anything, you can make your own length. And it's about 8.5 inches wide. See, look at that, the way it stretches like that. It's very nice. I love this yarn. So anyway, I just wanted to jump on here and remind you guys that I do have this pattern out as a tutorial, and I'll leave the links of where you can buy this yarn if you're interested in buying the Hobbii yarn. And once again, I'd like to say thank you, Hobbii, for sending me the yarn. I appreciate it, and I've had so much fun making this scarf here. And let's see, what else can I tell you about this? I didn't find any knots in it, so that's a good thing. And now, you know, since it does have the little fluffy, the little brush on it, when you crochet with it, you know that if you make a mistake and you go to pull it out, that sometimes it may be a little tight. So you've got to be aware of that because any type of brush, type of acrylic yarn is going to do that. So luckily I didn't make too many mistakes. The only things where I had to take it back out mostly was whenever I was designing it and trying to get, you know, the width right and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, I'd like to say thank you, Hobbii, for this. It is just beautiful. I love it. And so here it is, like this. Look at that. If you haven't made this yet, guys, you need to make it. Go follow my tutorial or buy my PDF pattern. Go get it. All right, guys, I just wanted to jump on here and show this to you one more time before our winter is over with, and just to give you a chance to get this made. You know what? You don't have to just make it before winter's over, because you can make this and give this as gifts for Christmas this year, right? Or anyone that's got fall birthdays or whatever, you know, perfect for that. So I plan on making more of these. I have more yarn left. I plan on making some more of these for Christmas gifts for some of the ladies in my family. So, and you can make it for the men too. It doesn't have to just be for the ladies. So yeah, it's the perfect type of stitching that will work both ways for everybody, even for a child. All right, guys, that's really all that I have for this video. Just wanted to remind you about this beautiful color block scarf. Don't think I've talked about it enough actually in the past on some of my past videos. So I just wanted to get that out there and let you guys be aware that this pattern is out there. Before I let you go, let's go ahead and do our By Still Waters devotion. Okay, it says, "Oh, how dearly you love me. See what great love the Father has lavished on us, that we should be called children of God, and that is what we are." 1 John 3:1. Have you ever smothered your child in kisses? Those moments usually come when your heart is merely and utterly besieged with emotion for your child, feelings of delight and devotion and pure affection for your beloved wee one. John tells us that God has called up his children and he has lavished love on us. That word lavished is intriguing since it means heaping and smothering and showering. There is no holding back or skimping with that word. It's all out love. In the Bible, the Lord makes it clear that he loves us ardently in words and in action. The most significant deed was creating a perfect plan of redemption with his holy son, Jesus. He didn't do it out of some distant and disconnected duty to his creation, but because we are his sons and daughters. And as we find delight and joy in our children, the Lord finds joy in us. How have you responded to such sweet and boundless love? I am so humbled and happy knowing how greatly you love me, Lord. I love you too. May I always bring you delight in all I do. Amen. Wow, that was just beautiful. All right, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.